Meaning of deterrence.
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 Deterrence. Deterrence refers to the use of threats or military force to prevent an adversary from taking a particular action. The goal is to create a sense of fear or uncertainty that will discourage the other side from acting. Effective deterrence can prevent conflicts from escalating into full-scale war or ensure that countries comply with international law and norms. However, if deterrence fails, it can lead to devastating consequences, including armed conflict and loss of life. Therefore, deterrence requires careful consideration and should only be used as a last resort.